What a run here into the close, and now back under a bear indicator, but our SPY bot at 2:10 p.m. sent out a bull indicator over to our Discord, and you could see it here right there, not getting canceled till 4 p.m. with that bear indicator and that push from 2:10 p.m. When that bull indicator popped up, it jumped up from 554 all the way up to 564, guys. That was a $10 move. It was moving on news. And there's a lot of things moving things right now in these charts when it comes to crude oil, when it comes to war talks, when it comes to also tariffs. And then tomorrow is CPI, guys. And we have some crucial levels to watch. And I'm going to be watching these bull and bear indicators very closely. But a full move and transition from the dip area to the rip area after that bull indicator popped up on the SPY and notified on our Discord. And then full transitions with those inflows picking up. Call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to our Discord, getting connected over to our bots and indicators, and joining the community of members using 42 Vision to gain this edge and clarity within the volatility of the charts and market, where they could see much more clearly the supports and resistance and where the weakness and strength lies. And we look forward to getting you connected and joining us. Again, that link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment. So the SPY here on the 5-minute, we have had some chop. When you zoom out and look at it from the 15-minute, same thing. It's back under a bull indicator since 554, and a full transition today from the rip area to the dip area multiple times and back up to the rip area here on these charts. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, under a bull indicator at 554 on the 15-minute. On the 30-minute, a bull indicator has popped back up at 555. And then the 1 hour, no bull indicator just yet. So we have lower time frames showing up with bull indicators. And why did it pop up from 553 to 563 and come back down and not have enough strength? Because in the lower time frames of the volatility, we are seeing bull indicators, but in the larger time frame on the 1 hour, no bull indicator just yet. So any pop up is not justifiable, and any resistance levels that are retested can easily reject. And that's what we saw here today. It ran all the way up to the highs of the pre-market and slightly above it and quickly started pulling back down. Now, lower time frames are showing bull indicators, and then you also have here the 4 hour and the 1 day continuing under bear indicators, right? And here we are, multiple dip areas, testing key support levels, and we're going to talk about these key levels here as we've talked about in the previous videos and how we've ended up here. We've broken down every single level and how this bear indicator has been dominating since 603, and we've seen it in the history of the charts, right? This is where 42 Vision, if this is your first time coming across the channel, allows us to have that edge and see the supports and resistance where they lie and where the strength and weakness is. Because this bull indicator popped up here, just for an example, at 573, but this pullback here on the 1 day, no bear indicator popped up just yet. And once it found support and retested back up towards resistance, there was a bull indicator that was setting the tone here of this trend, right? And it was the bull indicator since here because it never got canceled. And once it started reversing, that was a great opportunity for the retest, and it broke out. Same thing with this bear indicator. Every single time it popped back up, anytime it rejected anywhere below where it popped up at 606, because it was a huge resistance, it was going to go ahead and retest support, and it did every single time because those pop-ups never got a bull indicator to cancel it. Same thing that happened here with this bull indicator. As it would come back down and retest, it was not strong enough, those breakdowns to the downside, because this bull indicator was still holding in effect, and it would reverse every single time to retest the resistance until finally this bear indicator popped up, and it's been pretty strong, and there has been pops back up, which we're going to see in the lower time frames, but it's been way stronger than any other that we've seen since way back here. This last bull indicator on August of 2024 was one of the strongest that lasted for several months and weeks, and this one here so far has been lasting now for nearly almost a month. This is just a few weeks in so far, but very strong here as we see it. And the 1 week for the first time is popping up with a bear indicator. This is the first bear indicator, which I'm going to be watching. It hasn't confirmed just yet. It needs 2 more days to confirm. And it's the first time since a bull indicator back in August of 2024 about to get canceled. Not just yet, right? You could see it again here. This pullback, no bear indicator popped up. And as soon as it found support at 575, it went right back up to retest the recent highs of 607. And it slightly went higher than that. And that pullback was never justifiable because no bear indicator popped up, and it was still dominated under a bull indicator. So now this bear indicator, super crucial. We saw the charts just like this on the 1 day before it all started. And once it confirmed, well, here it is lasting for the last several days and weeks. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? The first thing is support. And the first support, guys, is 552, then 550. And we'll have to reassess. And to the upside in this tight range, 561 is crucial tomorrow. And then 565, guys. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. I'll be watching if these bull and bear indicators can roll over into the larger time frames. And as always, guys, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to better see supports and resistance, gain that edge within the volatility of the markets and charts, and join the members using 42 Vision. And we look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.